Hey folks, I've been working the land for more years than I care to count. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's that a tractor is the backbone of any farm. But like any hardworking beast, it needs regular care to keep it running strong. Now, I'm not just talking about topping off the oil and rotating the tires, although that's part of it. I'm talking about the whole shebang. Everything from the simple stuff to the more complicated job like engine overhauls and transmission replacements. You see, regular maintenance is like a doctor's checkup for your tractor. It helps catch those small issues before they turn into big, expensive problems. Regular oil changes, for instance, can keep that engine purring like a kitten, and rotating those tires can help them wear evenly and give you better traction. And let's not forget about preventive maintenance. That's like your tractor's insurance policy. Regular inspections and maintenance can spot potential issues before they turn into major headaches. So remember folks, regular maintenance is the key to keeping your tractor running smoothly and efficiently. It can save you a heap of money in the long run, extend the life of your tractor, and make sure it's always ready to get the job done. Now, I know we're all busy and sometimes maintenance can fall by the wayside. That's where we come in. Tractor Repair. San Diego's mobile tractor repair services are here to help you keep your tractor in top shape, right where you need us. So, whether you've got a small farm, ranch, or even sports fields, or a big operation, don't neglect your tractor. Give it the care it deserves and it'll pay you back in spades. Check out our website, www.tractorrepairsandiego.com, to learn more about our services and how we can help you keep your tractors running like a dream. Remember, a well-maintained tractor is a productive tractor. Thanks for listening, folks. Take care of yourselves and your tractors.